Okay, we got the 5th train of the day coming in.
CSX I142
And it will be the I-141 Northbound, heading up to the mainline subdivision. And
I-24, you're in the clear.
you're what? Oh, okay, but we're gonna wait till it gets here. So don't run, don't go away. We'll be right back after station identification. This is the Maverick Rail Fan right here on YouTube.
I-14206, clear Eaton Street, number 2. 930.
CSX detector, milepost 179.0, tracking main 2.
I-142. Man, he was a short one today. All right, folks. Saturday, November 7th. December 7th. Pearl Harbor Memorial Day. And
CSX detector, milepost 179.0, tracking main 2. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 164, length 3746. Detector out.
I-14206, no defects, 179.
okay, folks. Another good train, but a short one. Thanks for watching.